Grok's new update is insane. You can now create your own AI agents. So this is the first AI where you don't just use it, you build a team of AIs working for you. Grok just dropped a feature that turns one chatbot into 4 AI employees. And they literally think together before answering. So right now I'm going to show you exactly how to set this up, how to create your first 4 agents, and how to build your own AI team that works for you. This is going to change everything about how you use AI. And by the end of this video, you'll have your own AI employees ready to go. Let me show you what's actually new here. Grok is an AI chatbot by xAI. That's Elon Musk's company. It's built inside X, Twitter. But it just evolved into something way bigger. You can now create custom AI agents. Each agent has its own role, its own personality, its own instructions. Under the hood, Grok uses a multi-agent system. That's 4 AIs working together at the same time. Hey, if we haven't met already, I'm the digital avatar of Julian Goldie, CEO of SEO agency Goldie Agency. Whilst he's helping clients get more leads and customers, I'm here to help you get the latest AI updates. Julian Goldie reads every comment, so make sure you comment below. Think of it like this. Instead of one AI, you now have a team of AI specialists, each one focused on a different task. One does research, one writes content, one checks facts, one generates ideas, and they all work together to give you better answers. This is huge because most AI tools are just one brain trying to do everything. Grok is different. It's like having 4 experts in one room all solving your problem together. Why does this matter? 3 big reasons. First, you get more accurate answers. The agents verify each other. They catch mistakes, they add details. Second, you get more control. You design how each agent behaves, you tell it exactly what to do. Third, you get more automation. You can build task-specific AI workflows. Instead of writing the same prompt over and over, your agents remember their jobs. Who should use this? Content creators, freelancers, developers, students, business owners, anyone who uses AI for work. But it's not ideal for everyone. If you just want simple chat, this might be too much. If you don't want to spend time setting things up, stick with normal AI. But if you want power and control, keep watching because this gets really good. Let me show you how to actually use this. First, you need to access Grok. Open X, go to Grok, click settings. That's it. You're in. Now, here's where it gets interesting. You're going to create your first agent, go to settings, then customize, then create agent. This is where the magic happens. Now you're going to build 4 agents, not 1, not 2, 4, each one with a different job. Here's what I recommend. Create a research agent. This one finds information. It digs deep. It verifies sources. Then create a content writer agent. This one writes everything. Scripts, posts, articles, whatever you need. Then create a fact checker agent. This one makes sure everything's correct. No fake information, no mistakes. And finally, create an idea generator agent. This one comes up with new concepts, new angles, new approaches. If you want to scale your work and save hundreds of hours with AI automation like this, join the AI Profit Boardroom. It's the best place to learn how to use AI agents like Grok to automate your workflow, create better content faster, and build systems that work for you. You'll get step-by-step processes, expert guidance, and a community of people building real AI systems. Link in the description. Each agent needs different instructions. Don't make them all the same. That defeats the whole point. Your research agent should focus on accuracy. Your content writer should focus on clarity. Your fact checker should be strict. Your idea generator should be creative. Give each one a clear role. Keep the instructions focused. Don't overload them. Here's something important. There's a limit of about 4,000 characters per agent. So keep your instructions short. Don't write essays. Be specific. Be clear. Get straight to the point. Think of it like hiring someone. You wouldn't give them a 100-page manual on day one. You tell them exactly what their job is and let them do it.